Struggling to export your Pipedrive data? I will show you exactly where to click to get your deals, people, and more out in minutes. We will open Pipedrive, navigate to the export page, select your data type, apply filters, choose fields, and download. All right, let us start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, we are going to head straight for the left sidebar. That is the vertical menu running down the side of your screen. I have been through these menus countless times, so we're going to go right to the spot. Look for the three little dots near the bottom of that sidebar. It is the More menu. Go ahead and click that. Now, scroll down that list until you see the option that says Export Data. Click on it. It might seem hidden in there, but that is the door to getting all your information out. Give it just a moment to load the export page. Sometimes it takes a second to pull up all the options, so just hang tight. Now, this is where we get to choose what we are actually pulling out. You can export things like deals, people, organizations, or activities. In my experience, most people start with either deals or people. Click on whichever data type you need first. We can always come back and run another export for a different category later. So now that you have picked your data type, let us talk about filters. This is the really important part. Filters let you narrow things down, so you're not exporting everything from the last 5 years. Maybe you only want deals that closed this quarter, or people who were added last month. You can set those conditions right here. It keeps your export clean and manageable. Take a second to set those up the way you need them. Now, pay close attention to this next part. You need to select the fields you want in the export. This is where you pick the specific columns of data. Do you want the deal value, the contact email, the stage name? Just check the boxes next to the fields you need. I always recommend only picking what you actually need, because too many fields can make the file harder to work with later. Once you have your filters and fields set, it is time to hit that export button. You will find it right there on the page. Go ahead and click it. Pipedrive will now start generating your file. This might take a moment to process, especially if you are exporting a lot of data. Do not worry if it is not instant. Just let it do its thing. And finally, once it is ready, you will see a download link appear on the screen. Click that link to save the file to your computer. That is it. From being stuck trying to find the right menu to confidently pulling out exactly the data you need, you just did it. Open Pipedrive, click More, find Export Data, choose your type, apply filters, pick your fields, and download. You now have your data ready for reporting or migration.